Space isn't new to defence. RAF Fylingdales was established as far back as 1963, but UK Space Command was formed just over a year ago on the 1st of April 2021. And in the last 6 weeks alone, the UK Space Operations Centre has tracked more ballistic missiles than they did in the whole of the previous year. The Joint Force Space Component, which is our operational arm, has provided reports and warnings throughout the crisis, while supporting all other space support requests from across the armed forces. Our network of space liaison officers around the world, especially within the Combined Space Operations Initiative, are collaborating with our allies as we seek to collectively respond to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. And closer to home, space liaison officers working across the military have supported operations, plannings and briefings on space support and capabilities. For as long as this invasion continues, UK Space Command will continue to work collaboratively with our partners to support the international effort in response to this crisis.